but I crumble completely when you cry. It seems like once again you have to leave me with goodbye. I'm always just about to go and spoil this surprise. Take my hands above your eyes to do. I'm going back to 5:05. This is 7-hour flight, so a 45-minute drive. In my imagination, you were sitting lying on your side, with your hands between your thighs.